Ever wondered how an entire car gets assembled without a single human hand? Welcome to the world of automation, where technology takes over tasks traditionally performed by humans. In the realm of manufacturing, factory robots are the superstars. These robotic masters perform repetitive tasks with a level of precision and speed that surpasses human capabilities. Consider the assembly line of a car factory. Here, factory robots are entrusted with tasks ranging from welding parts to installing windshields. They perform these tasks with a level of accuracy and consistency that is hard to match. And it's not just about speed and precision. Factory robots can operate in environments that would be hazardous to humans. High temperatures, toxic substances, or the presence of heavy machinery. Nothing deters these robotic workhorses. So factory robots are one of those unseen heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes. They are a testament to the power and potential of automation. Have you ever dreamt of sitting back and relaxing while your car drives you around? Well, that's no longer just a dream, thanks to automation on the road. Self-driving cars are a perfect example of this. They're equipped with an array of sensors and cameras that help them detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring a smooth ride. But that's not all. These cars also employ artificial intelligence to follow traffic rules and navigate to their destination. This combination of technology and AI is designed to significantly reduce human errors that often lead to accidents. Moreover, self-driving cars have the potential to ease traffic congestion. Imagine a world where all cars are communicating with each other, maintaining optimal speeds and distances, and making way for emergency vehicles without any human intervention. It's not just about convenience, it's about safety and efficiency. Imagine the time you could save if you didn't have to focus on the road. What if your home could understand and cater to your needs? Imagine living in a space that adjusts to your preferences, almost as if it has a mind of its own. This is the reality with smart home systems, a shining example of automation in our everyday lives. These systems use a multitude of devices, such as sensors, switches, and speakers, to control and monitor various aspects of your home. You can set the mood with adjustable lighting, maintain the perfect room temperature, and ensure your home's security, all with a simple voice command, a tap on your mobile app, or through preset schedules. The beauty of this automation is its ability to adapt to your lifestyle. If you like waking up to a warm room, your smart home can make sure the heating kicks in just before your alarm. At night, your home can ensure all lights are switched off and the security system is activated. Automation doesn't just make life easier, but also more comfortable and secure. So, have these examples sparked your curiosity about automation? Now that we've delved into the intricacies of automation, let's discuss its broader benefits. Automation is not just about robots and self-driving cars, it's about making life easier, safer, and more efficient. It's about saving time, money, and energy. It's about improving quality and productivity. It's about enhancing safety and comfort. It's about transforming the way we live, work, and play. But the journey doesn't end here. We encourage you to continue exploring the world of automation, to question, to learn, to innovate. There's so much more to discover, to understand, to create. And we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you're fascinated by the potential of automation, visit our website, 𝐸𝓃𝑔𝒾𝓃𝑒𝑒.Sg, sign up for our courses, or get in touch. At Conny Tech Myanmar, we engineer your future. The only limit is your imagination.